Today what we will be making is a chocolate lava cake. First thing we're going to do is set up our double boiler. What this will do is it'll enable us to melt our chocolate without burning it. You can do this in a microwave, however if you burn it, it is entirely your problem. Okay, so now that our chocolate is melted, let us get out 4 ramekins. We will butter these ramekins so that the cake comes out nice and evenly. Now we are adding 1 4-ounce stick of butter to the 6 ounces of bittersweet chocolate. Now crack 2 eggs in a separate bowl along with 2 egg yolks and whisk vigorously. Make sure to get it all fluid. Now add in a 1/4 cup of sugar and a sprinkling of salt, espresso grounds, and cinnamon just to spice it all up. Pour the chocolate mixture into the egg mixture. Make sure to pour it in slowly and mix in between so you don't end up with scrambled eggs. Add 2 tablespoons of flour into the chocolate mixture. Make sure it does not clump. Pour our batter into the ramekin molds until almost entirely filled. Bake at 400 degrees for 12 to 14 minutes. However, make sure to go on the lower end of the spectrum or else the inside filling would be completely cakey. Take out your cake from the ramekin, dust with powdered sugar, maybe add some ice cream, and garnish with some raspberries and mint, or whatever is your choice, caramel sauce, cherries, whatever you want. And cut it open and enjoy. Thank you for watching.